Hello class, today we are going to use JSTOR, which is an online scholarly library, as a resource for our future papers. But for today we will only be compiling our single resource and we're going to share it with a small group. But to introduce this idea, I will be giving a short tour of JSTOR. So to get there, you will go to the Southeastern website and to the library. How you choose to do so is of your own will, and I personally always go to a class and then I hit the Henry G. Bennett Library, and that will take you to the library's app. You'll need to go click on databases, and when in databases you'll go to JSTOR. Now there are many other online libraries. JSTOR is just the one we'll be using for today's. I will open this up after this single assignment. I just want you to be familiar with this single one. As you can see, the access is provided by Southeastern. That's why going through the Southeastern website is so important. Once again, you go to the Henry G. Bennett Library, then you click on databases and then JSTOR, and it'll take you here. Now once you're here, you will look up one subject you'd be looking for. Let's say if we discussed Shakespeare's Othello in class, you might just type in Shakespeare Othello. And you could read many articles about Shakespeare's Othello. And in defense of Iago, Iago is the antagonist, the villain, if you will, of this play. I think if we take a look at this, we could find an article that we may be able to use in ours, and we could maybe build a defense for Iago in a paper. Now, I will not read all of this, but let's just read the first couple sentences. I would like first to defend Iago against the charge that he was a decent man, a man, that is, who injured others only after he was provoked to do so. This libel against Iago's wickedness, first made in the late 18th century, has been advanced on the grounds that the ancient was unfairly deprived of promotion, that he'll be really cuckolded by Othello. Now, we already see the idea that Marvin Rosenberg is planning to make in this article. And from this point, I would ask you to decide for yourself if you wish to continue reading. But just that little bit, that first little few sentences, I'll ask you to read to try to understand what it's about. As in the defense of Iago, we don't really get the full picture. I thank you again. If there's any questions, please contact me at bharmon02@student.se.edu.